To show multiple clocks for different location on always on display in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. Tap always on display. Next, tap clock style. In the clock style section, tap the clock thumbnail with 3 dots icon to see more clock style. And then select the clock thumbnail with multiple clock in it. By default, it will display the time for your current location at the top. However, to add another clock for different location, tap Add City. Select the desired city you like to display its time, and then tap Add. You can repeat this step to add another city to your always on display. When you finish the setting, tap Done button to save the change. Now your phone will display the time for your current location and for the city you have added to the always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.